Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. I am so happy to share another beautiful collection of Christmas craft ideas with you. If you love cozy decoration, handmade ornaments, creative DIY projects and warm holiday inspiration, then this video is specially for you. Christmas is not only about decorating our homes, it is about creating beautiful memories, spreading time with family, share kindness, and filling every corner with happiness. Even the smallest handmade decoration can make a home feel warm and full of love. Now let's enjoy these amazing Christmas ideas together. Look at these beautiful designs. It is simple, elegant and full of holiday charm. You don't need always expensive decoration to make your home look magical. Sometimes the most important, most beautiful decoration are the ones made with creativity, love and imagination. Now look at this one. The color work perfectly together. The soft lights, natural wood, ribbon, pine cones and little Christmas details create a peaceful winter feeling. Every decoration tells its own little story. Here's come another lovely idea. This is design is perfect for you. Enjoy a cozy farmhouse style. Natural materials like wood, twine, and greenery never go out of fashion. They make Christmas decoration look warm, timeless, and welcoming. Let's zoom in and every enjoy the tiny details. Every small decoration adds something special. The careful arrangement, beautiful texture, and festive colors make everything look even more magical. Look at the contrasts, the brightness, and the look. Beautiful finishing. Small details can completely change the look of a decoration. That's why handmade decoration ideas always feel unique and personal. This is next decoration is absolutely wonderful. It proves the creativity has no limits. With a little inspiration, ordinary materials, and become something beautiful for your own home. Christmas is not about making everything perfect, it is about enjoying the creative process. Handmade projects carries your own personality touch, and that's what makes it special. Now take a look at this beautiful ornament. It can decorate your Christmas tree, your front door, your table, or even become a lovely handmade gift for someone you care about. Handmade gifts are always filled with love because they come from the heart. Here come another creative design is not beautiful. Every color matches perfectly, creating a peaceful holiday atmosphere. Soft reds, greens, whites, gold, and natural wood colors like bring a Christmas spirit to life. Sometimes the people think they need to buy expensive decoration, but creativity is much more valuable than money. A simple idea combined with patience and love can become something truly beautiful. Now enjoy the next decoration. Imagine it displayed in your living room, dining table, fireplace, or entryway. Even a small Christmas decoration can make a whole room feel warm and joyful. Christmas reminds us to show down, smile more, appreciate your own loved ones, and enjoy simple moments together. Decorations are beautiful, but the happiest memories are made with people we love. Look at this amazing craft. Every little piece has been packed so carefully. It shows how much beauty can from patience and creativity. Now let's continue with another beautiful idea. Every image in your today's collection bring a different style. Some are modern, some are rustic, some are elegant, and some are cute and playful. No matter your decorate style, there is always something to inspire you. If you enjoy decorating your home every holiday season, I hope these ideas give you fresh inspiration for these Christmas. You can even mix different styles and create something completely unique. Now look closely at the design. The balance of colors, texture and decoration make everything look so relaxing. Christmas decorations are not only beautiful, they are also create feeling of comfort, place and happiness. Every Christmas season give a chance to create a traditions, maybe decorating the tree together, make ornaments, sharing hot chocolate, watching Christmas movies, or simply spending quiet time with family. Those little moments become unforgettable memories. I truly believe Christmas crafts are more than decorations. They're expressions of love, creativity, and joy. Every handmade piece reflects the excitement of holiday season. Thank you so much for watching. Keep spending your valuable time with me. Before I finish today's video, I want to say a very special thank you to all of you. We have officially reached 1000 subscribers. I'm so happy and so grateful to have your every single one of you. Thank you for watching my videos, liking, comment, sharing and supporting my channel. This milestone would not have been possible without you, your love and your encouragement. Even I cannot reply to every comment because there are so many. Please know that I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Every view, every like, every comment, every word, and every subscription means the world to me. This is just a beginning of our journey. I will continue sharing beautiful Christmas craft ideas, cozy home decoration, and creative DIY collection for you every single day. I hope we continue to grow together as soon as wonderful community. If you're enjoying these videos, please keep supporting the channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. If you have not already, your support inspires me.
So guys, let's continue again. It's a very amazing, very creative, most beautiful, different crochet and very creative, amazing crafts Christmas ideas. Bring a little Christmas magic into your home with this great, creative and beautiful DIY Christmas craft ideas. And from cozy handmade decorations to charming festive details, this idea are perfect for adding warmth, creativity and a personal touch to your holiday decor. Whether you love rustic, vintage, elegant or cozy Christmas decorations, you will find plenty of inspiration here. Some of your favorite ideas and try them for your own Christmas makeover. If you enjoy Christmas craft, DIY home decor and creative decorating ideas, subscribe to the channel and support our growing craft family. Your likes, comments and subscriptions mean so much. It's a very amazing, outstanding and very useful creative Christmas craft idea that make every corner feel magical and DIY craft decor. Hope you like all ideas and collection, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.